want to earn money simply from watching YouTube videos? Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And here's how to earn up to $100 just from hitting play and watching. For those who are just starting out and have never made any money before, the fact that this is totally free and costs absolutely nothing is fantastic news. Additionally, it is accessible in every country in the world. Details will all be explained, including how to sign up for a free account and other extra strategies that can help you earn up to 3 times as much money online. So, make sure you pay attention and watch the entire thing through. Let's get started. First step, go to followfast.com, a website that offers you the opportunity to earn money online by only viewing videos. You can see that people from all across the world regularly cash out real money by looking at their list of recent withdrawals. When it comes to how much you will make and how much you can withdraw, they are quite open and honest. People from many nations are transferring their earnings to their PayPal accounts, bank accounts, or other preferred online payment methods. To start making money, listen up. As soon as you land on the homepage of followfast.com, hit the join button there. It will direct you to a page where you may establish an account without paying any money and register for free. Your login, email address, password, and password confirmation must all be entered first. They will locate you through the website automatically, so don't worry about where you are. The good news is that they welcome visitors from all over the world, so it won't matter where you're from. Once you have entered all your information, go ahead and click join. When you log into your account, you will be brought into your dashboard. Once you are on the home page of your dashboard, simply click on the YouTube symbol. You can start watching YouTube videos and making money online by scrolling down their list. You'll see plays, likes, dislikes, and subs there. The first tip you should know about is that you must watch the videos for at least 35 seconds in order to earn points. Once you have earned points, you can exchange them for real money. Let's say you click the blue button on the website and start a video, it will get you a 9 points. When you click on it, you will be directed on the video website, and when you come back to the Follow Fast page, you will see that the countdown for the 35-second period has already begun. You'll receive points for watching the video when the timer hits 0 seconds. Simply wait until the countdown to 35 seconds is through to pause the video right there on the web page. Once you have done that simple trick, you will immediately receive points. It is pretty simple, and you can even watch as many YouTube videos as you want as long as you take note of the 35-second rule. The website will also automatically refresh the next set of videos for you. Here's a second additional tip that will enable you to fast double or triple your money. For instance, you watch a video that gives you 4 points, you can avoid having to wait 35 seconds and wasting your time by watching only one video by utilizing a phone or computer to open a new tab and watch a second video. This allows you to earn 4 additional points and watch both videos at the same time. You can therefore take on as much as you like. What a life hack, right? Another bonus tip, listen carefully. Go to the gear options and switch the playback speed from normal to double when watching a YouTube video. You can play the video at twice the speed by simply clicking on the 2 times button there, which will allow you to earn money online much faster while also seeing a lot more films. Also, it is by default that automatic is set on the quality section. However, you can choose 144p to view at the lowest quality if your internet connection is extremely slow or you just have a little amount of data available. This will save you a lot of time and mobile data, allowing you to watch a lot more movies more quickly and earn a lot more money. One last tip for all of you that have watched the video until this part. If you press the daily bonus button, you'll be led to a website where you may claim daily or even hourly bonus points. All you have to do to claim those points is log into your account every day, watch 15 videos, and you'll get 100 daily points automatically. Those are a few extra points. For instance, watching a video will only get you about 4 points, but if you earn the bonus, you will immediately receive 100 more points. Your daily bonus is yours alone. Additionally, you can receive an hourly bonus in which 3 films can be watched to earn 25 points each hour. You can even earn both hourly and daily bonuses by simply clicking the daily bonus section and watching further movies. Wow! Finally, if you have collected enough points and want to withdraw, select the cash out button on the website. You will then be directed to a page where you may choose a payment option. You can withdraw money using PayPal, Perfect Money, or even Bitcoin. If you don't have any of those, don't worry. You can withdraw using a variety of other payment ways. Basically, when you gain points by watching videos, you can turn those points into money by cashing them out for as much as $2. They accept users from all around the world and a variety of payment options. Due to the minimal payout method, you can receive and withdraw money from your account as soon as you make $2. It's as simple as that. To get your money, you simply have to wait 3 to 5 business days. You may view these movies whenever you want and make money online every single day because they are practically endless. That is how to earn money by simply watching YouTube videos. Hope you listened to each instruction well and took note of all the tips mentioned. Happy watching! Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made finance simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!